Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your name over on the Headspace app. So in order to do this, what you need to do is open the app just like this, and basically if you want to change your profile name, then once you're at home basically right here, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen at that icon where your profile is, and then head over to the top left corner of your screen at that settings icon, and then click on account and subscription. And then first of all, when you open this page, it will basically say this. But once you've done that, click on OK. And what you need to do is change your first name or last name. So you can either change your first name or last name, doesn't really matter. But yeah, if you just click on edit on either one of them, you can literally just type in whatever you want. So let's say add 3 ones after it. I just click on save. And that's basically how I can change my name over on the Headspace app. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.